In today's video, I will walk you through how to sell naked puts on Deribit safely without over-leveraging. Selling naked puts means selling a put option without fully setting aside the cash or stablecoins needed to buy the underlying crypto if the market falls. Instead, the position is supported by Deribit's margin system, which only requires a fraction of the total assignment cost. While this allows for greater capital efficiency, a sharp market decline can cause margin requirements to increase rapidly, which may result in liquidation. If you want to place a limit on your maximum possible loss, turn the naked put into a synthetic credit spread. Sell your put at your chosen strike, such as $80,000, then use a small portion of the premium to buy a deep out-of-the-money put, such as $70,000. This creates a defined maximum loss equal to the distance between the two strike prices, allowing Deribit's risk engine to cap the required margin. Before placing the trade, go to your account settings profile and check your margin mode. Make sure you know whether you are using standard margin or portfolio margin. Portfolio margin allows significantly higher leverage based on your overall portfolio, but if the market falls, maintenance margin requirements can increase much faster than under standard margin. Go to the Options tab, choose either BTC or ETH, and select an expiry that is roughly 30 days away. On the put side of the options chain, click the bid price for your selected low delta strike, change the order type to limit, switch the action to sell, and enable the post-only option, so the order enters the book as a maker. After the order is filled, monitor the account summary at the top of the interface and watch your maintenance margin percentage. Keep it below 30 to 40% during normal market conditions, so the remaining 60% of your account is available as a buffer if market volatility increases. Thank you for watching.